Hello everyone, this is Vivek Parma. Welcome you all in academatics. And today we have another session of real number, which is most important part of real number. And this will be based on digits after decimal place. If we have decimal expansion as terminating in nature, right? So we will see digits after decimal place. If the decimal expansion is terminating in nature, right? In the previous video of real number we have already discussed the decimal expansion of terminating and non-terminating repeating, right? So this terminating decimal expansion will determine how many digits are possible after the decimal place, right? So first we will see if we have p upon q as a rational number where q is of the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m, right? So this the greatest exponent of n or m will determine how many digits are possible after decimal place, right? So the exponent of n or m will determine how many digits are possible after decimal place, right? So here we understand this by taking some example. Here we have 3 upon 8, right? And we can write this 8 as 2 to the power 3. So this greater exponent, right, 3, will decide the number of digits after the decimal place. So I can write over here 0.375, right? See here how many digits here after this decimal place, 1 2 3, right? So why? Because the exponent of this 2 is 3 here, right? That's why we have digits after decimal place is 3. Take some another examples. We have 7 upon 80, right? So we have here 7 upon 2 to the power 4 into 5, right? And we can write over here as 0.0875. So see, in this case how many digits are here after this decimal place? 1 2 3 4, right? Why? Because in this denominator part, right, the greater exponent is what? 4 of these two, right? So this greater exponent will decide how many digits will be possible after decimal place, right? So we'll see which base have the greater exponent, right? And that greater exponent will decide the digits after the decimal place, right? Let's say take some another. We have here 13 upon 125. So what we can write over here, 13 upon 5 cube, right? So you can clearly see here the digits after decimal place will be 3. Why? Because the here exponent of this 5 is 3, right? So you can, in this way, you can state how many digits will be after the decimal place, right? Saying the highest exponent of the 2 or 5, right? Thank you.